Everyone, Amtrak and CSX rail fan here, and we got another train at 12:40. He just met CSX 3222. That was heading towards Bolivar's interlocking. Was a fast stacker. So he just met that one. Seems to be proceeding slow after he met 3222 towards the interlocking of Bolivar, where he just came from. Looks like he's a tanker of some sort, it seems like. Close ones. Cheetos here, it seems like, because he's going so slow. Trying to find room in the train yard. That's what he's communicating with on his radio, probably, if he can get in. Here he comes, it seems like. There was another stacker I missed before he got there that was a westbound down towards the train yard. That's why he's going a little bit slow, because he has to meet that one that's entering the yard that already went in. He seems to be revving up right now. Revving up speed. Looks like a UP unit from this angle. Here comes the end of him. And there he goes. Nice, cool to catch Union Pacific once again. That I caught this company like twice before as well. And nice friendly crew on him as well. Also. And then yeah, that's why I had to go a little bit slow, because there was another stackle that I missed before I came here, that I just got here. Like before, yeah, that I just got here. So we had to slow down for that guy to see if he can find room in the train yard. That's why he had to proceed slow at first to see if there's any room for him in the yard.